Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find all of the event times that happen in Heartopia. So whenever you want to start an event and you can, it's because the event is going to soon start um by the game itself, by the NPC character. So if you press on this one, for instance, bait the insects available now at 8:30 to 12 a.m. I guess here. And then we also have the Nest of Hundreds event. So 5:30, and then on Tuesdays at 12 a.m. I think. And then we also have the sea fishing, which is Monday at 9 p.m. And then I think, oh, we also have these other events like the Bubble Machine Challenge and the Yellow Duck Jump Puzzle. You are able to start the event yourself, but if you want a free event, you can join by looking at just the time in the map. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!